Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a must-have for any mechanic toolbox, the torque wrench. Specifically, I've got a hyper-tough 3/8-inch chrome-plated torque wrench, and we're going to see if it lives up to the hype. Starting off with the unboxing, we've got a solid, durable case, great for keeping the wrench protected and easy to store. Opening it up, you're greeted by a sleek, all-metal body with a nice heft to it. It's got that quality tool feel right out of the gate. This model comes with a comfortable, grippy handle which is essential for accuracy, especially if you're working in tight spots or applying higher torque levels. Now let's dive into the specs. This one goes from 15 to 80 feet-pounds torque range with the right-hand direction click, which makes it versatile for both light and heavy-duty tasks, and is made from chrome-plated steel to resist rust. It's rated at plus or minus 4% accuracy, which makes it a reliable choice if you need precise measurements for automotive work or even for bike maintenance. This model uses a click mechanism, which means you'll hear and feel a distinctive click when you've hit the desired torque. This is a foolproof way to avoid over-tightening or under-tightening. The handle has a knurled surface for grip, and the twist lock mechanism ensures it won't shift while you're working. I tested this torque wrench on a few common tasks to see how it performs in real-world conditions. First, I torqued down some lug nuts to around 80 feet-pounds. The click mechanism is crisp and unmistakable. You're not going to miss it. I also used it for some lower torque settings on smaller fasteners, and the wrench handled the range with ease. One thing I loved is the smooth, gradual adjustment on the handle. It doesn't jump or stick, which is crucial when dialing in specific torque. Overall, this torque wrench is a fantastic buy for anyone looking to invest in a reliable, well-built tool. It's accurate, easy to use, and built to last. Whether you're a mechanic or a do-it-yourself enthusiast, it'll help you keep all your projects torque perfect without any guesswork. If you found this review helpful, be sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tool reviews and hands-on tips. Let me know in the comments if you've used this wrench or if you have any other torque wrench recommendations.